Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we've got my Glock 43X MOS chambered in 9mm and my brand new Cyelee Cat Pro optic. Just picked this thing up on Amazon and it was delivered today. I wanted to get this thing out and show it to you guys and show you how to install it, as the instructions that come with it are not very clear. First thing we're going to do is make sure that we're working with a safe firearm. As you can see, no magazine, no rounds in the chamber. Let's start by removing the factory MOS optic plate. You can use the included wrench, but I'm going to use my Nyko torque wrench as it's a little bit easier to work with. Now that both screws are out, the optic plate should slide straight off. Everything looks pretty clean here. Let's go ahead and fit the optic. Now this is a Shield RMSC footprint, and it should mount directly to the slide without the use of a plate. Now this thing does come with multiple bags of screws. We're going to use these flat screws, M4 by 0.7. These are the shorter ones. Make sure to use the 8 mils. I'm going to go ahead and drop these down inside the optic. And get these started one at a time. Now that we've got these in place, I've already got my torque wrench set to 15 inch-pounds, and I'm going to torque them at that. And there we go, guys. The Cyelee Cat Pro on the Glock 43X. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.